In recent news, a hacking group known as Typhoon is back, rebuilding its botnet to target new victims. Typhoon is a Chinese state-sponsored group known for cyber espionage and targeting critical systems. They focus on areas like infrastructure, utilities, and defense, posing a risk to many organizations. In this video, we'll explain what you need to know about Typhoon and how to protect yourself. Step 1. Strengthen your password. Security across all accounts. Ensure that every account uses a strong, unique password to prevent unauthorized access. Use a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. Wherever possible, enable multi-factor authentication (MFA) for an added layer of protection. If you need guidance, Cyber A.I Pros offers password management solutions to keep you secure. Step 2. Regularly update and patch your systems. Outdated software often has vulnerabilities that attackers like Typhoon can exploit. Make it a habit to check for software updates and apply patches as soon as they're available. This applies to your operating system, applications, and all internet-connected devices. Cyber A.I Pros provides patch management services to ensure your systems stay updated. Step 3. Implement continuous monitoring of network activity. Monitoring your network helps detect unusual activity that may indicate a cyber threat. Use intrusion detection systems, IDS, to alert you of any suspicious activity in real time. Set up notifications to monitor login attempts, new device connections, and other key metrics. Cyber A.I Pros offers advanced threat detection services that continuously monitor your network. Step 4. Limit access and use. Strong access control policies. Restrict access to sensitive data and systems to only those who absolutely need it. Set up user roles and permissions to minimize the risk of unauthorized access. Consider using a zero-trust model, which requires verification for each access request. Cyber A.I Pros can help design a zero-trust security approach tailored to your needs. Step 5. Educate and train employees on security best practices. Regular training helps employees recognize phishing attempts and social engineering tactics. Teach staff how to identify suspicious emails and links, which are common attack methods. Set clear protocols for reporting unusual activity to avoid potential breaches. Cyber A.I Pros offers tailored training programs to help your team stay cyber aware. Step 6. Regularly backup. Important data and systems. Having a recent backup protects you from data loss in case of a successful attack. Store backups securely and test them periodically to ensure they're working properly. Both local and cloud backups offer an additional layer of security for critical files. At Cyber A.I Pros, we provide backup solutions and recovery planning for peace of mind. How Cyber A.I Pros can help you protect against advanced threats. Like Typhoon, Cyber A.I Pros offers a complete suite of services designed to protect you from advanced threats. We conduct detailed security assessments to identify vulnerabilities specific to your setup. Our team provides continuous monitoring with AI-driven threat detection to catch potential intrusions. We also offer comprehensive training programs to equip you and your team with essential security skills. If you're concerned about your security, Cyber A.I Pros can help protect your assets effectively. If this video was helpful, please tap like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more cybersecurity insights. Visit cyberaipros.com to learn about all the services we offer to keep you secure from emerging threats.